Theo the tiny tornado visits sunny town to teach kids how weather works and why wind can be playful yet powerful. Through a gentle story, Theo shows a compass, a rain cloud, and a sun ray, inviting listeners to point along. When a gust answers questions with a roar, children practice safety by moving indoors and designing their own calm breeze. They clap to slow the wind, label warm and cool spots on a pretend map, and predict rain before it falls. By the end, Theo reminds everyone to observe kindly, share umbrellas, and learn together with curiosity and care.